Hello everyone, I've got something really beautiful to share with you today. I was contacted about 3 weeks ago by a lovely lady called Amanda from Your Creative Studio, asking me if I was interested in receiving one of their vintage boxes to share on my YouTube channel. Now, I must admit, I've seen these in the past and they're just gorgeous from what I've seen. So of course I bit her hand off and I couldn't reply quick enough. I was so excited about receiving this box. Well, it finally arrived last week, and this is how it came packaged, and this is what it looks like when you open it. I've torn the tissue paper, unfortunately. I have had a quick peek inside. So on the top was this lovely business card with a personal message on the back, which is a really nice touch, and this is what it looks like. Isn't that just so visually appealing? So I'm just going to pop this off to the left hand side and I'll show you what's inside. So first of all, on top of the package were these 3 gorgeous boxes here. Now you can see that I've opened these because I didn't want you to see me fiddling around trying to get them open, but I did want you to see how beautifully packaged they were. So the first is this rubber stamp on a wooden block here. So you've got the image of what the stamp looks like once it's printed. I just love that for printing labels. So many uses for this stamp, really versatile. I just love that. Secondly, there was this smaller stamp here, again really pretty. So this is the image of this one here, and these are really good quality stamp. So that's that one there. I think it goes that way up. Another really pretty stamp, and then finally a roll of masking tape, and this is just gorgeous. So we've got neutrals on the left, and then this gorgeous botanical print on the right hand side, which is sort of like a coffee dyed colour. Beautiful. And again, that's the packaging showing you what the masking tape looks like. So I can't wait to play with that. We've got a box of 6 different botanical images. It's called Backyard Garden, and comes wrapped in cellophane like this. Then you've got this matchbox style packaging, which is just really lovely. And inside you've got, as I say, 6 different designs, and you've got 10 of each. And this is just so beautiful. It's on rice paper, I think, and it's just so translucent and delicate, just absolutely wonderful for using in collage. For any of you that love doing your masterboard backgrounds, these would just be absolutely perfect. So you've got 10 of that design there. Then you've got 10 of this one here. Let me just bunch these together so that you can see. These have got a gorgeous delicate scalloped design. You can see that there's vintage old style dictionary type paper in the background, just so delicate and beautiful. 10 of this design here, 10 of this one. Let me just show you these individually. They're just all absolutely gorgeous, and they're so translucent and thin, just wonderful for using for layering in collage. You've got 10 of this tag style design, which again is really pretty, beautiful wildflowers in all of these, and 10 of this one here. I just love those. I can't wait to use these in my designs. Next, we've got what looks like a little book. It says Retro Scrapbook. Everything is just beautifully packaged. So that's the design of the packaging. And inside here, you've got this tiny little book. Let's have a look. All the designs are the same. Again, really fine quality handmade paper by the looks of things. And I don't know whether you can tell, this is perforated. Let me just tear one of these out. So we've got a botanical design at the top. And again, this perforation at the bottom. So, you know, just beautiful for layering in collage. Just gorgeous. I just love the fact that that's natural tones, neutral tones. We've got a vellum sticker sheet here with 15 botanical images there. I just love that. And these just peel off really, really easily. Those are vellum stickers. We've got another pack of stickers here, and these are the designs that are included. So how many have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20 different designs there. And you get at least 2 of each of these. Some have 3 of them included, and this is what these are like. They're just absolutely beautiful, just really delicate designs. I love the ones that are stuck inside this package here as well. Just look at these, just so delicate and beautiful. Then you get this most gorgeous selection of dried flowers here. I just think these are beautiful. They're shrink wrapped on a piece of card to hold them in place, just to stop them falling apart in transit. I'm not going to open this because, you know, I don't want to break these. These are so delicate, just absolutely gorgeous, and the colours are just so beautifully vibrant as well. Let me just hold that up to the camera. I apologise for the glare. Those are just absolutely gorgeous. I just love dried flowers. Then we've got this package here, which looks to me as if it's envelopes. So let's open this and see what's inside here. It looks vellum. The package is vellum, the envelope is vellum, and then we've got something else inside. Let me see if I can get this open without tearing it. I'm going to do this off camera because I just can't bear to tear anything. Okay, so I didn't manage to get them out without tearing the envelope, unfortunately. But inside here you've got 30 pieces, 5 of 6 different designs of the most beautiful vellum papers. I've taken one of each design out for you. So we've got this one here, this one. These are just gorgeous. That one, and again, because they're so translucent, you can layer under these as well. I mean, think of these on top of vintage book pages or music paper, for instance. So many ideas for these. They're just gorgeous. Then we have what looks like a floral notepad. So again, let's open this. I just want you to see what the packaging is like for each of the items. So let's pop that to one side. So yes, this is a floral notebook. So the designs are the same for each one. And again, you can see that it's perforated in the middle. Let me just make sure that I've got that in camera shot. Let's just take one of these out so that you can see. The paper is just absolutely beautiful. It feels like natural paper. And again, you can tear these so that you can layer these for collage. Just absolutely beautiful. I just love those. Then we have some absolutely stunning mulberry papers, handmade mulberry papers with leaves and flowers and things. So let me just show you these. There are 4 sheets. So we've got this one here with leaves in. Can you see the fibres, the silk fibres in this mulberry paper? It's just absolutely beautiful. These are A5 size, and as I say, there are 4 of these. So that's that one there. This one I think is my favourite. Just look at that flower there. It's just gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at those beautiful silk fibres. There's another one of those as well, so there are 2 sheets of that one there, and then this one here, which is slightly plainer. I just love those. And then finally, we've got 2 packs of sticky notes in the box as well. These are super fun. So these have got a travel theme. So, you know, we've got this set here with the camper van, the red telephone box, suitcase and camera. Then we've got this one here with passport, feather, compass and suitcase. Just love those. These are post-it notes, but to be honest, I would use these as collage pieces. Let's have a look and see what these are like. So these just tear off like that. Aren't those fun? So again, just great little collage element. So here's the other set. Now I think I would set these aside to use in a travel or holiday themed project, with the exception of the feather, which I just think works absolutely beautifully with the rest of the floral and nature themed set that we've got going on here. So I do hope that you've enjoyed today's unboxing, and a huge thank you to Your Creative Studio for sending this to me. It was a joy joy to open. Every single item in this box is just absolutely gorgeous, all totally usable. And I will be back soon with another video sharing how I put some of these goodies to good use. Now, I will leave the link to Your Creative Studio in the description box below for anybody who's interested in one of these boxes. I can't promise that this particular box will still be available because I think these sell out quite quickly, which is testament to the product in itself. But if you enjoyed today's video, as always, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. Do let me know what you think in the comments below as well. And if you've purchased one of these boxes, let me know your thoughts. But until then, take care everyone, stay safe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.